Gold against US dollar has dropped in value this week, where we can see after this bearish engulfing candle has formed, we can see that the start of the week has pushed the price even more down. In the daily analysis that I'm sharing inside the trading community, I have also mentioned that the goal would be that the price will reach around 2053 price level, and then we need to see will it drop below 2048, and this has happened on a Wednesday. We can see that the price has stopped at Thursday, and on the Friday it was a little bit choppy, going up and down, but also I was expecting that the price will try and also reach this start of this demand zone. The price has come very close to it. So if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks. This is some kind of a bearish pin bar formed here on this resistance level at 2072, and what we can see, this weekly candle has closed below these candles, which is suggesting that the price is dropping down in the value. If we go to the see how the monthly has closed, we can see that the previous month has been bullish, where the price is bouncing between a very strong resistance level at 2134 and below that 1980, and the price has closed above, which means a bullish candle, which was a great signal for the bulls. But for now the price has stopped just here at 2072, which is a great resistance level, and we will see how this month ends. For now, as it looks, the goal could be that the price reaches 2035, which is the next very great support on the monthly time frame, and then after that we will see what happens. But above that is 2072, a very important level on the monthly time frame. Now if we go to the weekly, it will be much more clearly visible what are very important levels. So here it is very important level on the weekly time frame, first 2053, and above that will be 2064 and ultimately 2072. This is very important levels. If the next week price closes above, it will mean that the bulls have recovered and we could expect the price reaching higher price levels. But as it looks right now, the week has ended here. It is very likely that I will see the price dropping down around this support level at 2016, and around that we will see what happens with the price. We can see that the price is reached and has formed a great week, which means a great demand zone, and also bulls are waiting here, pushing the price even more higher, but the sellers were much struggling this week. Now let's go to the daily time frame and see how this looks. The price has formed here, we can see it, small support on the daily time frame. This is the lower side of this, currently acting as a supply zone. So there is a pressure that is pushing the price even more down, and also the bullish pressure that is pushing the price even more higher. So it is very indecision on the market. It's very hard to see where the price will go, but for now, as it looks, very important and also very critical level is 2041 on the daily time frame. That needs to be broken on the daily time frame below in order for the price to continue to fall even more down and reaching this area around 2016. We can see this is the uptrend channel, which means also the price could follow and also find a great support here, which will be a confluence of support. If the price returns back up, and that means if the price closes above 2048 on the daily time frame, this will mean that the bulls have recovered from this small bearish momentum, and we could see the price going higher and reaching the start of this supply zone around 2065. But for now, as it looks right now, the price is bouncing back down, which has triggered this bullish momentum here. The buyers and also the sellers that have pushed the price even more down, they have exited their trades. That's why we have here a bounce from this area before reaching the demand zones, because the sellers have gone outside of the market on the Friday just to lock their profits. If they did not do that, this is what would happen to them. That means return back up and lose their selling profits. So for now, I am still waiting how the market will react outside of this one. Very important level, this one is here, below that, and also above that, it is also a very important level. So I'm waiting, but also I will share a daily analysis, just I have done this week. I have started from this year to share with you the daily analysis inside the trading community, so you can see how I am seeing the market each day. when happens the breakout. I also mentioned where is the next support based on the technical analysis that you can see, and also where the price could go for the rest of the week. The link for the trading community will be below the video inside the description, so if you like it, join, and if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!